Hello and welcome to Career Guarantee, where success is guaranteed by Mr. Shopon Kumar Sarkar, the pharma industry expert. Today we will discuss about the reproductive system. Reproductive system is the combination of organs and tissues associated with the process of reproduction. In male reproductive apparatus are outside of the body. It includes the testis, vasa differentia, prostate gland, seminal vesicles, urethra, penis, and glands of penis. In female, all reproductive apparatus are inside the body. It includes the ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, vagina, and vulva. Human reproductive system, male organs, seminal vesicle, prostate, vasa differentia, urethra, penis, bladder. Female organs, fallopian tube, uterus, ovary, endometrium, vagina, cervix, ovary, and fimbriae. Male sex organs, testis, a pair of male sex organs that produce spermatozoa and secrete male sex hormone androgen. The paired sac named scrotum that holds the testis and epididymis outside the abdominal cavity. Its function is to allow the production and storage of spermatozoa to occur a lower temperature than that of the abdomen. Further temperature control is achieved by contraction or relaxation of muscles in the scrotum. All the time of intercourse, spermatozoa come out from testis and ejaculated by penis to vagina. Vasa differentia, a pair of ducts that conduct spermatozoa from epididymis to the urethra on ejaculation. It has a thick muscular wall, the contraction of which assists in ejaculation. Seminal vesicles, a pair of male accessory sex glands that open into the vasa differentia before it joins the urethra. The seminal vesicles secrete most of liquid component of semen. Secretion is white jelly-like liquid component where spermatozoa is suspended. Prostate gland, a male accessory sex gland that opens into the urethra just below the vasa differentia. During ejaculation, it secretes an alkaline fluid that forms part of the semen. Urethra. It is the tube that conducts urine from the urinary bladder to the exterior. The male urethra is long about 20 cm and runs the penis. As well as urine, it receives the secretion of male accessory sex glands, that is prostate, Cowper's gland, and seminal vesicles and spermatozoa from vasa differentia. Thus, it also serves as the ejaculatory duct. The female urethra is about 3.5 cm long and opens just within the vulva, between the clitoris and vagina. Penis, the male organ that carries the urethra through which urine and semen are discharged. Micturition can occur in the normal hanging position. Most of the organ is composed of erectile tissue, which becomes filled with venous blood under conditions of sexual excitement, so that the penis is erected. In this position, it can act as a sexual organ, capable of entering the vagina and ejaculating semen. Erection is the sexually active state of the penis, which becomes enlarged, rigid, and capable of penetrating the vagina. The term is also applied to the clitoris in a state of sexual arousal. Glans penis. It is the corn-shaped end part of the penis formed by the expanded end of the erectile tissue. It is normally covered by the foreskin unless this has been removed. Female sex organs. Ovaries. It is the main female reproductive organ which produce ovum or egg cell and steroid hormones in regular cycles. In response to hormones from the anterior position of pituitary gland, there are two ovaries situated in the lower abdomen, one of each side of the womb. Each ovary contains numerous follicles within which the ovum develops, but only a small proportion of them reach maturity. The follicles secrete estrogen hormone and small amount of androgen. After ovulation, a corpus luteum forms at the site of the ruptured follicle and secretes progesterone hormone. Estrogen and progesterone regulate the menstrual cycle and pregnancy. Fallopian tube. It is a muscular tube having an inner mucous membrane from attachment at the uterus. The two fallopian tubes extend laterally, one on either side to the wall of the pelvis, then turn downwards and terminate near the ovaries. Uterus. The uterus is a thick-walled, pear-shaped muscular organ, the inside of which is hollow. The muscular wall of the uterus or womb made up of smooth muscle fibers. It responds to the posterior position of pituitary hormone oxytocin. The uterus plays an important role in maintaining the growth and development of the embryo. The ovum, which is discharged from the ovary, is transported to the uterus along the fallopian tube. The non-pregnant uterus is pear-shaped female sexual organ, about 7.5 cm long. It is suspended in the pelvic cavity. Vagina. The lower part of the female reproductive tract, a muscular tube lined with mucous membrane connecting the uterus or womb. It receives the erect penis during sexual intercourse. Semen is ejaculated into the upper part of the vagina, and from there the sperm must pass through the uterus in order to fertilize an ovum in the fallopian tube. The wall of vagina is elastic enough to allow the passage for the entrance of penis and also of the newborn child. Vulva, the female external genital organ, two pairs of fleshy folds, labia majora, labia minora, surrounding the opening of the vagina and urethra. Genetic basis of sex differentiation. In the process of fertilization between sperm, 22 pairs of autosomes and either X or Y chromosome, and ovum, 22 pairs of autosomes and a X chromosome. The resulting zygote would contain 23 pairs of chromosomes, of which 22 pairs are autosomes. The remaining 23 pairs determine the sex character of the offspring. If the sperm containing X sex chromosome unites with ovum X sex chromosome, then the two sex chromosomes would be identical and the resulting sex will be female offspring. If the Y sex chromosome of male unites with ovum X sex chromosome, then the two sex chromosomes will be different, resulting in a male offspring. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.